constitutional review amendment, and also more particularly to agitate for the inclusion of the 6 autonomous kingdom of the good people of Igbanke into the proposed Anioma states. We support the bill for the creation of Anioma states, and Igbanke was wrongly banded in Edo State as it's where Igbanke does not understand Bini language, Igbanke does not understand Ishan language, Igbanke does not understand Igara language, neither does Igbanke understand Isako language. Igbanke understand Ika language. We are Ika speaking people. Even when we visit Edo State, when we visit the state capital, they refer to us as Owika because of the nature of the name we bear. They refer to us as Ugbo. Because of that, so many rights, so many privileges has been denied of us. For example, to get local government of origin is a problem. From our local government headquarters, Abudu, our local government, to even get admission into those state school owned is a problem. Even to get employment as an Igbanke person is a problem. There is no proper political representation. There is no proper social amenities within our community. We have long been neglected. We are long been neglected. That is why we are here, crying, pleading to the National Assembly to consider the creation of Anioma states and to include Igbanke into that state so that we can belong to people who have the same ideology with, so that we can belong to people who have the same tradition with. Thank you and God bless you, sir.
If you don't have any reason why you should support Anioma state, sentimentally, support it because of Igbanke people. The 6 autonomous community in Igbanke, including some other villages like Owarinuzo, like Ekpo, like Iru, Egbede. These guys have been marginalized. You know, we in the Igbo will be saying Igbos are marginalized, Igbos are marginalized. There are people who are marginalized inside marginalization. You heard what he's saying, that the Igbanke has been neglected totally. There's no light, no good road, no good hospital, no good school. Everything done there are done by the indigenes. No government presence. And this is why they demand to join Anioma state if being created. You know, I've said it time with time about that we need to define things. States are not created because of tribal coordination or bringing tribe, but states are created for political administrative purpose, so that you bring development closer to the people. But it's unfortunate that when a people are caught into a state, people leave to develop that people but start dragging the land of those people. This is what is happening in those states, and this is what is happening in Delta when you hear some people coming to drag our own ancestral land by claiming that we are migrants. States should be created with the purpose of bringing that thing you see in the capital of the country in the state and replicated, so that people will not concentrate migration and living in a place. That's why Lagos is jam-packed. That's why Abuja is becoming jam-packed. Because everything you need that's supposed to be in the state are only found in those places. The security people are talking today can be fed in Abuja. The sanity, the good road can be fed in Abuja, in Lagos. But they are not in other states. Apart from few state capitals that are trying to mimic or duplicate, or the governors are trying to work like what is happening in Abia State. Assuming that the bankers are being treated fairly, have land, have security, and works are being, they won't be agitating to leave. You show them backside, now you are crying a wolf that Igbo people are trying to drag them. The next thing you say, and the Igbo Unification people are trying to make the work of the Igbos difficult. The last video I made showed you that even the Gala communities and the Olukumi communities are not complaining because we are treating them right. If whatever that comes to them and our people politically decide to stop it, they won't support it. They will support Anioma. They will also be agitating now to be cut out of Anioma if graded, or even cut out of Delta State. Have you asked yourself why they are not? The regalas in Anambra, have you ever seen them agitating they want to leave Anambra? That is the truth. The regalas in Anambra are not agitating to leave Anambra State. But it's only people like us that are trying to leave because of these things that you always try to cook up story against Igbo. And anytime we in the South say we are Igbo, you put see it as a problem. You see it as a problem. Now, you accept that we are Igbo. Now you start claiming that you own our land. This is the reason why we want our own state. It's part of the reason. Apart from infrastructural development, look at my village on Ugbo, where there is no single road. No single road. I'm not going to talk of what is happening in Asaba alone. Inside villages. The other time I saw a death trap, Obio Junction. After Ibodo, Obio Junction, I showed a death trap. This one is inside Onicha. Look at this. When rain fall. And this road link to Abuja. Every motor coming from Onicha Owerri pass through this place. Everyone coming from Kogi, Lokoja, Kaduna, Kano, going to Onicha Owerri, Port Harcourt are passing through this place. But look at that road. So this is what we're talking about. If there's any reason, if there's no reason why you should support Anioma, say support it because we need infrastructural development, we need good road, we need to experience government presence in our place. We need it. The bankers have been crying. We're also asking you people to do the right thing. Anyway, Igbo Unification movement are not relenting. Yesterday, they went to make a course visit to Professor Opune in Abraka University, the man that wrote a book that Okwane people are Igbos. Like I always said, it is unfortunate in the 21st century that you guys are following people who are using it to catch cruise and cash out on social media. Why their fathers on ground are accepting. Look at the video when they visited the Opaluku of Abe. Yes, you know Kwane. And they accepted Igbo Unification and said that we attend our conference in 29 and 30 to come and speak about their Igbo-ness and the support they have for Anioma State, even to be zoned to the southeast. This is what we are talking about. Men who knows who they are. I keep saying it that it is the poor that deny their identity. The rich don't. I will post a video of Pato Thomas saying I'm a full-blooded Igbo. Although I know that the most of people doesn't, but everyone have been showing here, whether it's Okowao, whether it's Nedunoko, whether it's Pato Tomio, whether it's the Professor Pona that I call now, whether it's Ibe Kachuku, whether it's Ndudu Lumelu, have shown prominent Anioma sons from Okwane to Eka to Enuane who have declared their Igbo-ness. So why are you still angry with us? Including the Igbanke that are speaking out now that they're Igbos. And they want Anioma State. Anyway, please, let me still beg you. I've never asked anybody to say, subscribe to my channel, follow my YouTube, or share my videos. Well, I know that you people are doing well. Thank you very much. If you are sharing my video, if you are subscribing, thank you very much. But I want you to do something for me. This is what I'm going to be begging you. Please donate to support our upcoming conference, 29th and 30th of August. Igbo Zari Igbo. Igbo Unification in conjunction with Indian Asobi. I want to host this conference. Let it be a success. It is you that will make it to be successful. Please, Ndi Igbo, Ekwenaki Ifelema, we have 29 days to go. We are counting down today. Please, donate. Happy New Month. I'm out of here, Joe.
I am a full, warm-blooded Igbo son. And so I come to this saying that sometimes we talk about these issues, we don't ask what is at the bottom of the Nigerian challenge. Inclusion is fundamental to progress in any society. Revenues do not make rich. What makes rich is production. And because these people are arguing to put some revenue money in their own personal pocket, they have made a very productive part of the country poorer.